Here is my lovely client that has been coming to our salon for a couple of years now. That's her natural hair, and she wanted to do a hybrid sew-in, which is simply a sew-in weave with an alternative method of hair extensions in the leave-out area. It makes your sew-in very seamless and super flat at the top because there are no braids there. So the sew-in helps you add lots of hair for volume easily. Listen, the girls are loving this method because we're all about the natural look, okay? Anyway, so here I am just sewing in the hair extensions. You can see I've left out quite a lot of hair because you're going to see me add hair extensions there using another method. The method we chose for this are tape-ins because they're very flat, which I love. So I'm done installing the sew-in area and now I'm going to get onto the tape-ins. Okay, so now I'm adding the tape-in hair extensions. I added about 7 in the leave-out area from the one side all the way down to the other side. You don't want to add too much so that they blend and aren't too visible. You also want to gauge it a bit, so I had added some and then I realized actually maybe I should add a couple more at the back, which I then went inside and added a little bit more. I think I added 2 more just for some volume there, and so that was enough. I haven't even styled this install yet and the blend is already pretty nice, so I'm just going to blow dry the hair before I get to styling. So I'm just getting the hair quite smooth, and then once I'm done blow drying, I'm going to layer the hair extension. So I'm just adding some layers at the front just for some movement, especially when I style. Then using my good old Taupe Tools silk press straighteners, I am adding some curls and straightening the hair at the same time, if that makes sense. And so I'm just adding the curls at the ends of the hair extensions. So now that I've styled the extensions, I'm just going to straighten her leave out to blend everything in. The blend is crazy. I love the hybrid method because of how versatile it is. And I really like that it's super flat. You don't have to use the tape-in method, but I just really like the tape-in method because of how flat it is. You can use the LA weave method instead. You can do micro links, but I find tape-in to be the flattest. The great thing is that the sew-in area just allows you to add so much more hair. So the hybrid basically gives you the best of both worlds. You have all the volume from the sew-in, but then you're not leaving as much hair out, but then you have the flatness of the tape-ins. That's just it. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give a bit of a talk through. Let me know what you think and thank you for watching. Goodbye.